Are you just starting out on YouTube with a zero budget, and now Grok won't even give you free credits? Or you open an AI animation app, ready to make fire thumbnails, images, or videos, and boom, usage limit reached. Don't panic, I've been exactly where you are, and I found a completely free way to replace Grok that's actually giving unlimited usage right now. Stick around, because this one trick changed everything for me. Now I'm going to show you how to use Super Grok Imagine for free, step by step, and this is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial you can follow along with. In this video, I'll also show you how to create a legit digital payment card with zero fees, which you can use not just for this account but for any platform that requires a card for free trial access. And if you don't have multiple email addresses, don't worry, I'll walk you through how to generate a quick email addresses in just one click, so you can create multiple accounts, as many as you want. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser. For this example, I'm using Google Chrome. Head to the top right corner, click on the three dots, and open a new incognito window. This is important because incognito mode helps protect your privacy and prevents your browsing history and session data from being saved. Once the incognito window opens, you'll see a clean screen like this. Make sure you're actually in incognito mode, it should be clearly visible at the top. Now search for the Grok. At this point, you might be wondering if Grok still offers free credits. I tested it, and unfortunately, they no longer provide free credits by default. Earlier, I was able to use Grok for free and even created a few tutorials on image generation, animation, and AI video creation. I'll link those in the description if you want to learn more advanced techniques. Now back to what we're here for. Grok currently offers two plans, Super Grok and Super Grok Lite. The Super Grok plan gives you better image quality, more advanced features, and most importantly, a 3-day free trial. That's exactly what we're going to take advantage of. Before we sign up, let me show you how to create a quick email address. You can search this in Google as I did, and once you click on the link, the email address will be generated instantly. No sign up, no personal details, nothing. It's literally one click, and you're ready to go. Now here's something very important you need to understand. If you're using this type of email, you must keep that page open while creating your account. The email you receive to the inbox only lasts for a couple of hours, and you can't send out any emails. If you close the page and come back later, that email might be gone. So keep this tab open. So if you plan to reuse the account later, it's better to use a permanent email instead. Go ahead and copy this email address using the copy icon. Then head back to Grok and click on Sign Up. Choose the option to sign up with email, paste the email you copied, and continue. Grok will now send a verification code to your email. If you're using a permanent email, check your inbox. If you're using a temporary email, switch back to the Temp Email tab, scroll down, and you'll see the email from Grok. Open it, copy the verification code, and paste it into the Grok sign up page. We're almost done, just one last step left to create the account. Now, just enter your name, create a strong password, and complete the sign up process. And just like that, your new Grok account is ready. But we're not completely done yet. We still need to upgrade this account to the Super Grok plan to unlock the free trial features. For that, you'll need a payment method. In the next step, I'll show you how to create a digital payment card that you can use for this and other free trial platforms. Most apps won't actually charge you during the trial, but they may place a small temporary hold just to verify the card. As you can see on my screen, some apps hold a small amount, but they don't deduct it permanently, and your balance remains the same. Creating a Wise account takes only a few minutes, but the verification process can take anywhere from a couple of hours to 1 to 2 working days, or slightly longer depending on your details. Once your account is verified, you can instantly generate digital cards at no cost and start using them right away. Opening a Wise personal account is completely free, with no subscription or setup fees. A digital card is totally free, while a physical Wise debit card costs around $9 as a one-time fee. This fee may vary depending on your location. There are no monthly maintenance fees for the account. You'll only be charged when sending money, converting currencies, or using certain additional services. Now we're ready to upgrade your Grok Super free trial, and this part is actually super simple if you have your payment card ready. Just click on the Upgrade option under Grok Super, and it will take you directly to the payment page where you can activate your free trial access. On this page, you'll need to enter your payment details. You can use a digital Wise card or any other payment card you prefer. If you're concerned about unexpected charges after activating the free trial, here's a simple trick that works really well. Once your account is created, you can freeze your card so no transactions can go through. Just make sure the card is active and unfrozen during the sign-up process. Otherwise, the payment verification won't work. This is one of the reasons I recommend using a Wise card or maintaining a separate card for these types of transactions. Another big advantage is control. If a card ever gets blocked by a subscription platform, you can easily create a brand new card without any hassle. This also makes it easier to manage different subscriptions by using separate cards for different purposes, which is a smart way to stay in control of your online payments. Now my free trial account is ready. There's just one last step, but it's a very important one, if you don't want to continue with a paid plan after the trial period. You have two options. You can either cancel the subscription or delete your account. To do this, go to Settings, where you can manage your account. Scroll down and select Data Control, then scroll down again to find the Delete Account option. If you only want to cancel the paid plan, go to Subscription, then click Manage on the right side and select Cancel Subscription. Let me know how your free trial account works and how many clips you're able to create per day. Grok doesn't show credits like other AI tools, so I'm really curious to hear about your experience. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I create tutorials focused on content creation using zero or low-cost tools. Also, check out the links in the description to learn how to master AI prompts and create videos and animations using Grok, back when it was offering free credits with daily limits.